Welcome again and thanks for joining us for the wonderful program that we have here. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell as always so you're notified whenever we post new videos. What I want to ask you today is just a simple question. If you had a choice, would you want to relive the year 2020? When we return, we'll discuss this on the program. This is Links WSM TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links WS7 TV. Let's talk. Thank you for joining. Thanking you for taking the opportunity once more just to join us for the wonderful program that we have here. Whatever you're doing right now, just much respect goes out to you. Much love wherever you're watching from, right across the world. Much respect goes out to you. Much love, much thanks. Thanks for taking the time out to always tuning into our videos and just being a part of the Links 007 TV family. I really appreciate it. So what I want to discuss on the program today is the year 2020. Would you want to relive this year if you had that choice? Many people are speculating that this year is one of the worst years in history. And that is based on the whole pandemic and certain situations that is happening right across the world. This has been a year that has lost so much productivity has been lost, and so much lives as well has been lost with the whole pandemic and the whole entire meltdown of the economies right across the world. And we have seen how that has left a devastating impact on the world itself. You have certain countries as well that have been having real serious weather conditions throughout this year, and we have seen how that as well has left a number of places damaged as well throughout the Caribbean as well. And it's really a year that has not been that favorable to us as citizens. But what can we do if we believe that this is the way it should be, or we believe that this is just one of those situations that the world just have to contend with for now? But when we look on the whole pandemic that swept the world in March to current now in October leading into November, it's a very sad situation, and one that has left the world totally upside down, with so much of our stars' lives being taken, so much of our family members, our friends, our neighbors. With the whole onset of this pandemic, we have seen how much devastation it has caused right across the world, and we have seen much pain, how much anger, and how much destruction it has caused as well. But all I can do is just appeal to the people out there in the world. Just try your very best as well, just to protect yourself as much as possible. Try to remain safe. Just try to adhere to the regulations or line by your local authorities, and try your best to be that individual that will protect yourself, your family, your friends, and also your neighbors. This is not a one-sided thing. You have to be looking out for others as well during this current situation. And this year, I believe, is one of the worst year, and will go down as the worst year in history. But if you had that choice, would you want to relive this year? For me, I would say a no to it. So just drop it in the comment section. Let me know, how do you feel about this year? Are you coping? Do you want this year to end? How? Just let me know in the comment section. I really look forward to hear your responses in the comment section. So just drop me a comment. Once you watch the video, drop me a comment. Let me know how you feel about this year. Are you coping? What has been your greatest struggle going through this year? And how are you planning to deal with it if this should continue over into 2021? So I look forward to hear your comments in the comment section, and I look forward to reading them as well. All right, have a blessed and productive day. Links WSM TV taking it out once more for another in the series of Links TV Quick Let's Talk. All right, peace out, bless, and remember, try your very best. Be safe, be precautious, and protect yourself in the best possible way. I'm on for now, Links TV.